my top 10 best restaurants of 2025. Out of the 200 plus restaurants we visited this year, here are my 2025 favorites. Simulan agad natin with my number 10, elevated Mediterranean dishes here at the Olive Tree. Sabi ko nga, when in the south or here in Molito, might as well try something new, and I trusted my fellow Saudis here. And tama nga sila, Middle Eastern fusion done well. Number 9 goes to my favorite Vietnamese restaurant here in the Metro, Saigon Corner. Ang dami ko na nakainan na Vietnamese restaurant dito sa Metro Manila. And for me, they are still my personal favorite. May mga specific dishes kasi dito na binabalikan ko. Always happy na meron silang something na bago. Number 8 naman goes to my favorite Indian restaurant in the Metro, Rich, or Royal Indian Curry House. Not so much friendly sa bulsa, but I think you get what you pay for. For me, the best butter chicken, masala, and tandoori combination. Number 7, and it belongs to Zubache. Again, yung gamjatang nila, hindi nalalayo sa gamjatang na natry ko sa Korea. Lahat na dumadami na yung branches ito, and gets naman. Number 6 goes to my favorite unlimited Korean grill, Lian's Tea House. Very controversial sila, I know. Pero kasi sa Meltik at Butchisal nila, enough na para balikan. Kahit sinong dalhin ko dito, naging favorite din nila. Top 5 na tayo, and 5th on our list is XO46. Ito yung restaurant na once na try mo yung dish, akala mo kayang-kaya mo nang lutuin lahat ng Filipino food, pero hindi pa pala because of the technique, the taste. For me, quite underrated and deserves a Michelin reward. On my list, I have to give it to Thank You Seafood. Sana mag-crave ng seafood because it's always so expensive. For me, sulit to sila taste-wise ito sa Thank You Seafood. Not a single bad order when we went here, and I feel like they really know their flavors. Third on my list, Jumong, na ilang beses ko binabalik-balikan. Naging comfort restaurant namin to, and for me, serves the best sets of banchans. As in, dun palang solve na. Number 2, the 2025 Worth the Hype Award goes to Hikiriku to Come. Or is it Kome? Comment down below. Juiciest patty, only Japanese rice pa. Smoky, meaty, beefy, and deserve yung long lines. And now, number 1 on our list, we have to give it to Giwon. If may Hanwoo sa list, dapat number 1 yon. A Hanwoo and Wagyu Omakase. Grabe, as in worth the splurge, lalo na if may 50 off sila. And hands down our best meal of 2025. That's it for my 2025 favorites, besties. See you ulit on our 2026 favorites. Enjoy!